something happened. Some deformation here. Now, in time, I don't know if it's still like this or continue.
You look very
That's
professional.
what we're testing now. We'll come tomorrow. A few more days. It's going to be dry tomorrow. But if you have problem with deformation or cracks, by tomorrow afternoon. I just want to make sure there's no air out of the fence. But there's no point trying to apply pressure.
There is difference between the strength of each one?
Between them?
Strength because of...
Aria, it's like you've been doing this for a time.
Yes. Look very professional.
A real stonemason. To send you.